Zaid, we're back, baby. Took a couple days off. No, no midterms. Just had some uh, had some stuff we had to take care of, but we're back. Let's see, we're trading 30 contracts today. The top step accounts are looking good. Probably up like 700 in that one, 600 in that one, 800 in that one, 600 in that one. Yeah, so top step accounts aren't doing too bad. Gonna focus on the 300K for the first little bit here, and then we'll look into some other things. Yeah, you're right. There's FOMC today. Looking for this breakdown. Oh my gosh. Looking to see if we can get this breakdown here. We got a lot of interest down here at 40s, 30s. We got to snap this support level. But if we do, I think we could have a good chance at pushing lower here. Kind of an interesting close there. 56, 46. Oh God. Oh my gosh. That was a horrific entry there. That was such a bad entry. It's all right. We good. All right. That's a tough start there. Really tough start there. Still got all this interest down here. 200s, 230, 235s. So I do think we'll get the breakdown. We just got to make sure we're not too quick for it. 47s, 35s, 37s. So we could wait to the break of the 35s and then target that. Or sorry, break of the 45s. Might be better. Gosh, that was so tough. Mm. All right, we good. Little liquidity up here at 70s. We kind of test these lows over here. Could be an interesting spot right at point of control. Got to be careful. This is also yesterday's point of control, this big area. Um, Yesterday's point of control and high volume node is right here. So we could bounce it out of here from the zone, or we dump it on down into the 200s. I think we should just be patient and wait. Should have something good setting up here. Should have something really good setting up. Gotta be precise. I want just like a clean, like maybe a doji candle, and then we break the doji candle. I do think we need to grab 70s first. Maybe right now. Oh, so they take it off right away. Took that order at 70s off. Got a big order at 75s from earlier. So if we come back into that area and have another big order, then that could be a wow, what a long setup, dude. Just gotta stay dialed and locked in. Locked in. Maybe we get like a false breakout here. Let's see, 75s still up here. Yeah, interest at 75s now, so maybe we grab 75s and then dump it from there. We'll see. Taking it off a little early, gonna lock in something there. Should get that push to 75s there though. Let's see, where's that pivot point at? Pivot point's right at 200s as well. Gosh, this is gonna be such a nice breakdown. Don't get 75s yet, which is interesting. I really want to see us get 75s. Oh, jeez, there was news. Check out the news quick. Crude oil inventories at 7:30. Consumer confidence, FOMC. Got a lot. Gonna watch what this does on this trend line here because this could be a interesting spot of rejection as we're doing right now. We do just have a lot of support here, so we need to snap this first. Yeah. I know, dude. There's some pretty good moves right now. It's just we're kind of just right by the point of control, so we just gotta wait and see what happens. 75s, 80s up next. I don't know, dude. That's not making it low here. It's very Very interesting. And the fact we're chopping around here. Right at yesterday's high volume node. Gotta keep an eye out for it. Maybe we'll get it here. Sweet. 200s are still on there. Just the 75-80 level is giving us a little trouble. Kind of chopping around here. 103, 103, finding support. So I think once we break that, I think we'll be golden. 155s. Yeah. Wow, we don't snap those highs again. One, two, three, four, five, six. A little bit of a six top here. I mean, I really want to take the trade to the 80s, but I don't even know if we're going to get it. A lot of resistance stacking up here. It's stuck again. Perfect equal highs. Sure, it'll probably just go straight through it here now. Or not. Wow, pretty wild. Now we gotta watch out for something like this. Play the breakout right here. Zayed, this is the breakout. Gotta watch here again. See if we resist here or if we're just gonna push straight through it. Looks like we resist a little bit. Oh, there's just so much more pressure to the top side right now. I think if we just would snap this 74, 70 level, I think that would send us to 80s for sure. I don't know if we're gonna get the breakdown here though, I'll be honest. I'm kind of thinking about it, Zide. I mean, we're struggling to follow through on this dump like 4 times now. I mean, I guess you go like this. Maybe we give it a little longer. There it is. Here's the dump. And just be patient. There'll be other setups. We're good. Interest at 47s here. We gotta watch this. If we grab this level and instantly reject, take it as long as possible. If not, we break these 45s, and I think we're going down to 200s pretty quickly. Powell's not till 11, so you got a little bit. Mountain Standard Time in Arizona. Alright, so there's a doji. Now, a break below here would be nice. Not gonna get it. Maybe this is the breakout. Huh. Perfect triple top. Wow, I don't know how I didn't get entered in there. A lot of resistance here. Let's see now. This would be a good breakdown. I don't get stuck again. See if we get the shorts here. Either we get the shorts or we snap that high. Come on. Give us the follow through. Oh my gosh, there's no follow through. Ah, so painful. Zero follow through today. Now we're looking at something like this. If we hold up here at 60s, 57s at this support area, and we get the breakout and we can snap over 72s and finally get 80s. I feel like that would be a good spot. I feel like all of these big orders are here just because of Powell, just because of these talk today. It's just embarrassed me. Yeah, I've been there. I feel that. There we go. So I got 47s, 53, continuing to dump. Trying to hold up here. Very key area here. I mean, we're just in a tight little zone. We haven't made it low yet. Higher, 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 high. Let's see if we can get the breakout. Just a nice smooth breakout. Gosh, dude. Horrible entry there. I need this thing to push badly. Come on, baby. Push. Ah. Oh my gosh, man. Ugh. Why is there so much news? Push it, dude. Go. Go get that VWAP. Dude, this thing has got to go. Break the 160s, dude. Go. Break the freaking highs, dude. Just break out. Just go. Just go get it. Oh my word, dude. Gosh. Like, dude. Like, we wait for the move and it's just so slow. Oh, we had it so perfectly, dude. $2,200 loss hurt. That was the trade right there. gosh, man. Mm. I mean, we still made money. It's just like we could have made so much more. Just haven't been getting any sort of follow through. Where's the pump? That was like slow motion. Yeah, that was bad. I thought we were just gonna rip straight up through all these highs. Yeah, I'm not gonna be here for the Fed though, so it's kind of a shitty situation. So look at this. This is that high volume node from yesterday that we were talking about. Yesterday's high volume node, and look exactly where we bounce out of. Perfectly out of yesterday's high volume node. Testing these lows right now. Can't believe I'm only up $399 on the day. $651 in commissions right now. That's unbelievable. Good picture there, actually. Oh, oh man, this is tough to watch. Fact that we entered in perfectly right here, an absolutely perfect entry. 64s, 50 points. That would have been $30,000 right here if I held till the 300s. I don't know, dude. It's a weird day. There's news at 7:30 though. Remember, yeah, crude oil inventories at 7:30. So if you're in a trade, probably close it out right now. The big order, 77. So let's see, 724 at 280s. There's 68 orders. 68 orders got filled there and just push us through. 55s at 275 here, pushes us down. Now we're getting 77 orders up here. Good night. This thing is moving crazy right now. It's just getting tight. On 15 support here. Trying to hold it up a little bit. Dumping it. They are dumping it. So we only got, let's see, 265s-ish. 265s interest. And then 200s down here. Interesting fair value gap here. Want to see if we hold it or not. See, we got 6 seconds. We do hold it. Oh, yeah, we do. Hmm. So this is where we could get long right now, but we already tapped into the fair value gap and tried to push higher right away, and we weren't able to. So now that kind of shows me like I'm not really interested. Could very much still be a winning trade as it looks like it's going to be, but rather just wait for this. I mean, like this right here is a perfect setup. Let's see, 10 points. It was right there. Would have gotten crushed. Dang, brother. Dang, dang, dang. We're getting sort of a falling wedge type of deal like this. Doesn't look very convincing, but it's definitely something. It is definitely something. Ever what about market profiles and footprint chart? Yeah, so I got volume profile over here, and that's what we were talking about with this zone down here. This was yesterday's high volume node that we marked out, and that was part of the reason we bounced right there. Um, But yeah, I don't really use a footprint chart. I just use the book map over here and the session volume profile, and that's kind of my footprint. Jeez, this thing is dumpstering. Looks like 265 says interest. Just gonna fall straight through VWAP. No remorse. Test these highs. These highs are very important. This could be a buy off of these highs here. Chance I'm interested in that on these accounts here. I'm gonna see if we can snap it. Nope. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Thank God we did not take that on the dude. Like, oh my gosh, I hate. I feel like FOMCs. There's been so many FOMCs, dude. Feels like every week for some reason. Like, this is so stupid, dude. Why do we chop for so long and then we just go straight up and straight down? Like, come on, dude. It's so stupid. Make a video series on how to use Bookmap for trading. Yeah, I can just tell you right now. So these brighter level, hold on, 273.98 orders. Gosh, dude. What a freaking mess. Need this thing to chill out a little bit. Um, yeah, these brighter, kind of bolder areas here are big orders in the market. So you can see over here, there's 73 orders resting here at the 47s, and then you got orders all in here, right? Um, so it kind of acts as like a magnet. And then this over here is like support and resistance. So once we break out of one of those, it's usually a pretty quick snap type deal. But my word, we just got freaking eaten up here on all of these guys. My word, that was tough. Try to chip our way back here. See if we can get a couple $200 trades here, and then we'll be back. Let's go, baby. Love to hear that. I mean, I've kind of had a bit of a. Hold on, let's see here. A lot of resistance here. Don't really want to see us snap that resistance. Would rather see us break down here into like the 47s. But all we're looking for is singles and doubles, right? No big home runs, no big ICT, like 100-point trades. If you want more money, just size up. Just wait for the perfect breakdowns and breakouts. Just like that, baby. Simple and easy. So we have one kind of mess up of a trade, right? And now we're just going to slowly start to make our way back. That was only a 5-point trade. It was two contracts. So if my 10 points was 53s, that would be way down here, and I'd have to sit through all this. But I just know I just want to take my 5 points and get out. Now I know we're going to go down and touch 47s at some point, which is way down here. So sure, I could want to take profit all the way at the lows if I wanted to, but then I got to sit through all this bullshit. So it's not really about the home runs. It's more about just taking what you can get. Because once I get these funded, I'm just gonna trade one contract, take my 200 bucks a day, which is 1,000 bucks across all five, and then on the Tradeovate account, once I pass that, I'll just trade five contracts, look for 10 points. There's another 1,000 bucks, 2,000 bucks a day, 40K a month in a perfect world. Not too bad. I could get another breakdown here if we lose once we snap out of this 57 level. Still got like 40 seconds left on this candle. I don't know if it was for Powell. I was just saying like they usually just put big orders um on like a big news day like today just to see if they get filled or not. But there's definitely more downside momentum than upside for sure. I wish, dude. One day I will, Zide. One day. One day we'll be making $1 million a trade. So we're pushing out, kind of sweeping out some of this stuff here. Just need to watch and see that we hold this resistance here. So we want to hold this and snap this, and then we'll go and get 47s pretty nicely. That I think you should just sign up for an Apex account. It's like 50 bucks instead of doing your options. Just take all that money you got in options and invest it long term. We're back in the support area. 3 seconds left on this candle. I'll show you in a second. Let me just see if this trade's gonna play out. Don't follow through yet. Alright, I'm just gonna cut it there. Didn't get the follow through we wanted. Totally fine. Cut it early. We'll wait for the next entry. Oh my gosh. No 74, 745 news. Oops. That was crazy. It's unfortunate. I would have gotten filled. All right, 59s. Yeah, for sure. Barely. Um, Apex is just like what I use. Apex and Top Step. I would recommend Top Step, but Apex is, I think, a little cheaper still. Let's see. Creative 8 plan. This is this 300K that I got. Come on, dude. This website is so stupid. Jeez, the 25K is 167. Yeah, do not use Apex. Oops. Definitely use Top Step. Um, so yeah, 50K is $50 a month. You make 3 grand. You earn the account. Pretty simple. I think that's way better than what you're doing right now, for sure. So, I mean, there's a lot of interest down here. 50s, 47s, still just holding this resistance area. So, I mean, you could get short and just put your stop above like 75s. Pretty massive stop, but yeah, do it, dude. Yeah, I would say literally just put all that into a, I don't even know. I don't know what you're on, if you're on Webull or Robinhood, but just find like a long-term investment stock like the S&P 500 and just throw all of it in there and take it out in like 5 years. And I'm sure you'll make like a couple $100. Oh, there's a snap of this support area, almost. There it is. 58 orders just put in there at 250s. This is interesting. We get this level, but we're not able to get 47s yet. Testing the lows right now. Push up into this fair value gap, maybe. I mean, there's just a lot of interest down here. Such a tight range we've traded in. All right, so back up into this resistance now. Shorts are definitely still here, but it's interesting that we dump it and then straight away buy it right back up. Definitely not what I wanted to see, but all right, still interest at 47s. Good tutorials for trading this top step. I mean, I'm trading with it right now, so you can trade either on this is Top Step X, or you can trade on Trade Evade. I would definitely choose one of those two. If you want market profile or volume profile, I'd say Trade Evade because they don't have volume profile on Top Step X. Um, but yeah, so you pay for it, and then it'll bring you into the dashboard, and then inside the dashboard you can click launch either Trade Evade or Top Step X. Then you launch it, just set up your charts however you want. And it's pretty simple. Pretty much it, honestly. And then from there, it'll just show you, so you have like rules as far as how much you can lose, how much you need to make. And once you do all that, you get funded, then you hit a request to pay out. But Patrick Whelan's got good tutorials on Top Step. Let's see, 58 at 250s is interesting. We're kind of holding up here now. Right down here at 250s. We immediately buy it right back up. Kind of wanted to take a stab long at news at 8. Probably shouldn't. My gosh, I keep doing that. 75s. I don't know why that's purple. Alright, we could wait to see what kind of happens with this setup here. Technically speaking, it's supposed to break out, but that seems legit. I appreciate the help. I guess we're switching to futures now. Yes, sir. Patrick Wheeland is how I learned to trade. Definitely the realest professor out there. Could also get a little breakout right here. Just looking for base hits right now. Base hits is all. An entry here, 63s, will get us a good spot. So I'm assuming it's just going to tap into this fair value gap and then do something. Maybe we get the breakdown right now, though. I don't know. This is looking like a better breakout for the longs for sure. Maybe something like that. Maybe something like that. Something like that, and we can get out of this range. I mean, we were out of the range, and then we just pulled right back into it. I mean, unbelievable. News at 8 isn't doing too much. Two pretty good wicks here. Gonna take a stab long, see if we can get some good follow through. If not, I'll just cut it. Cut it and I'll walk home. Not gonna get it. Maybe we'll give it another chance here. We're gonna give it another chance. Gosh, dude, it's just. I don't know why I'm trading today. Stupid FOMC, dude. It's so dumb. You just get no follow through. Like, what on earth is this freaking range we're in right now, dude? Come on. All right, we're just gonna take one more trade. It's gonna be the breakout of this range. Motivational. Appreciate the sub, my boy. Appreciate you, brother. But I mean, it's just been back and forth. No follow through here, and I'm walking. Yeah, all right. And this is just a dumb day. All right, boys, I'm getting out of here. There it goes. Yeah. Oh, it's so tough, dude. It's so tough. All right, Chuck. Ah, so stupid, dude. Like even this trade would have played out, dude. 64s. Just not patient enough to wait in all this right now. Trying to give it a second. Come on, man. Let's go. Enough with the bullshit. All right. All right. I'm getting out of here. This is stupid. Waste of my time. Waste of my time. Definitely still make money today. There's no doubt about that.